Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here. This is the Ride Share Hub where Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers learn how to make more money. So in today's video, we are asking the question, is Uber stealing from drivers? Now, the question is actually a very philosophical one, which we will be discussing. The fact that Uber executives rake in millions of dollars per year while drivers have to pay for all of their own expenses of the business while also making very little money. And the studies have shown that some drivers only make around $5 per hour, and plenty of drivers are actually at a net negative. So they're losing money after you calculate expenses like wear and tear, gas, and car depreciation, insurance, etc. So, but we also have some interesting screenshots that I want to share with you guys about tipping. Passengers leaving tips and drivers reporting that they're not receiving those tips. And Uber CEO saying that we pay drivers around, 70 to 80% of the ride, and then there are a lot of drivers are reporting that Uber's taking more like 60 to 70% of all the ride fare. So there's not a lot of transparency with Uber, and they say one thing and then another thing happens. So that's why we're here to dive in. Before we jump in, if you are an active or Uber or Lyft driver, you can sign up for Play Octopus with the link below. And Play Octopus is an awesome, cool tablet that they'll send you. Use the link below in our referral code. They'll send you a free tablet. Comes with a strap in the back and a charging cable that hooks up to your car and to the tablet. And you just strap this on to the back of your headrest here, right there. And your passengers get in and they play games on it. Why? Because they can earn cash prizes, $25 Amazon gift card per day. And you as a driver just make money. They're little trivia games, they're fun. Thousands of drivers use them, and you can too when you use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus. Okay, let's sync up our phone here so we can go over these screenshots together. This comes out of our Facebook group. We have a link below to join that as well. We have over 20,000 members in this Facebook group, and it's super active. So a lot of drivers in there will share their screenshots of how much they make, fishy things going on, asking for tips, asking for advice, funny stories too with passengers, crazy rides, crazy stories. It's just like, it's basically like a little group chat for drivers, except there's 20,000 people in there, so it's pretty crazy. So this guy, Michael Hawley Jr., said this. He said he was in a $16 surge area, and when I went online, it dropped to a $10 surge area. Uber cheats all the time. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? He said there was a $16 surge area, and he drove, basically what he did, he turned his app off, drove there, and when he got there, it dropped to a $10 area. Is that called surge baiting? Uber saying, oh, go over to this area, there's a big surge, and when you get there, they drop it a little bit. Maybe they have it calculated out where, put in 16 bucks, you get 50 drivers over there, all of a sudden, there's no more demand, there's no high demand anymore because so many drivers in that area, so they gotta drop the frickin' surge price. And some drivers leave, but a lot of them end up staying because they're like, oh, 10 bucks is still better than nothing. So let's see what other drivers have to say. And you probably ended up with a $2 surge. We know how it goes. Drivers are crazily agreeing on this, is that surge prices drop like that. Joseph Medina says, imagine getting a surge. Yanine said, you still at 10, can't knock it. Yeah, like Yanine's saying, like she or he would have just taken that $10 surge. That's not how surges work. They drop because other drivers beat you there. Always assume that even if you do log off, get there and log on, it will never be more than 70% of the numbers. Just accept that as partially the carrot on the stick to get you there, and partially the latency of the app, and partially other drivers doing the same. That high dollar amount only has to be there for a split second to be shown on our driver app, and it is almost like a screenshot of a point in time 2 to 4 minutes ago. How does Ken know all of this insider info? Maybe he's an Uber employee or something. EK Green says, Lyft's the same way, except when you get to the bonus area, it disappears. Here we go. Adrian Ibarra. Here's the title of the video, guys. You guys always say, oh, Dylan's clickbaiting, Dylan's clickbaiting. Nope, here we go. Adrian Ibarra says, Uber will not stop. You guys got to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe because I'm not clickbaiting this. Uber will not stop stealing completed trips like the one I gave yesterday at 2:55 p.m. of which I took a screenshot of and still is not updated on the app for me to cash out. Just got off the home with 3 Uber agents, the phone, and they admitted it was missing. Just imagine how many missing, not updated trips since over the 7 years I've been with Uber. That's just me. Now, how many drivers does Uber have internationally? So Adrian, the Uber agents actually admitted that the money was missing. That's crazy. Where is that how Uber's making so much money? Is that why Uber's CEO is a multi-millionaire he probably got a big mansion, he's probably driving around in his, McLaren, Ferrari. Oh yeah. You don't think the Uber CEO can go out and buy a Bugatti? The dude has $200-300 million. He's probably going to become a billionaire. And he makes money off of drivers who go to the surge price and then they knock it down and they still make that money. So I just want to end the video there, but I want to pose this question to you guys now and ask you, have you ever had an incident where Uber took money from your account or, they played a little dirty trick like that? I want to hear from you guys. And again, use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus. This is the tablet company where you can get a tablet, put it in your car, and you will make up to an extra $100 a month. It's a super fun and easy way to make more money. So there's no reason really not to sign up for this because you're just gonna end up with more money in your pocket. And I actually had an argument with somebody on Facebook because he was like, it's only $100 extra a month. What am I gonna do with $100 extra a month? And I said, well, that's $3 a day. And I said, you can make your lunch with $3 a day. He goes, what am I gonna do? Go order 1 chicken nugget? I'm like, no, stop eating fast food. I just went to Trader Joe's and I bought frozen chicken for $8. It was 3 pounds. You can cook it up. That will last you the whole week. And you could go buy some mixed greens, a bag of mixed greens, $3. Or go buy some tortillas and make some tacos. You can eat, another thing I always recommend with Uber driving and Lyft driving is cook at home. Get frugal in all aspects of your life because your time now is money. And, the more you spend, the less you're basically profiting. If you're going out and eating every day, you could go out and spend $20 at Chick-fil-A. Do you need to? No, you can go cook at home for $2-3 per meal. Get a bunch of chicken, get beans and rice. It's not bad. Listen to Dave Ramsey. He's the one who taught me to be frugal and basically eat super cheap. And hey, I'm eating beans and rice and chicken. I'm fine. I'm still getting through my day. And it's actually it's actually healthier than eating McDonald's and fast food. So, and it's super easy to make. You could literally make it in bulk. You can make a bunch of beans or you can buy canned beans, but you can also make beans from scratch. Buy a big bag of beans, put it in a pot and slow cook it for 8 hours. And then now you have beans for the rest of the week and it costs $1. So anyways, I'm rambling. Well, I'm super frugal with my eating. I don't eat out really hardly at all, rarely if I do. I try to even go to places that are cheaper. The other day I bought spaghetti. It was $12 or something and I split it. So I ate one half one day and then the next half the next day. So it's $6 each. And that's kind of my little treat for the week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, sign up for Play Octopus, link below. Get your free tablet. Start making up to an extra $100 a month. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.